and a new vlog, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Well, welcome back to the channel everyone. Today is the 24th of May 2018 and this is the Sony PM signing in. The time by my watch right now, it's 3:55 PM and the plan for today, I along with Ashmita, we are going to Lal Bazaar to a store called Anglo Swiss Watch Company. Actually, the reason why we are going out there is a couple of months back we had given them a watch for repair, a Casio one. Well, that's not my watch actually, that's a younger brother's watch, and finally I received a text message from them stating that the watch is done and I can come and collect it. So now I have my t-shirt on, I have my pants on, and I have got to put my shoes on and then book a cab and then leave. Now everything is done, let's move. Well, this is how the Anglo Swiss Watch Company looks from the outside. Now let's head inside and check out the store. Well, the Anglo Swiss Watch Company, they are the official dealers, one of the very few official dealers of the Casio watches out here in Kolkata, and well, they are the official dealers of many more watches. As you can see, you can find Fast Track out here, you can find Sonata, you can find Timex, you can find Seiko, and well, you can even find Ajanta if you are looking for the wall clocks. So well, we are out from the store and we are heading back home, and I've got the watch which I'll be showing you later in the end part of my vlog. I've just captured a time lapse. Now you can enjoy the time lapse in some time.
few moments later.
Well, it's around 6:30 p.m. in the evening, and I reached home at around 6:10. But then I changed and went to take a shower, and after shower, I'm in front of the camera sharing some things with you guys. Okay, this is the watch that we went to receive. It looks brand new, doesn't it? Okay, so this was the belt which we changed, and now it's like this. And we changed the glass too and the battery, and the total cost of this was 2,500 rupees. And well, let me tell you a few things about the shop. I was actually very disappointed with the shop because of the service. At first, they told us that the delivery would be within a month itself, and then it took them nearly 3 months to return this watch to us fully repaired. That wasn't something which I expected from them, from such a big store. But nevertheless, we got the watch back, and it's looking brand new, and they did a good job. At least it's better late than never. If you enjoyed watching this vlog for whatsoever reason, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. You're smart enough to understand that I want you to subscribe to my channel. And alongside the subscribe button, do hit the bell icon so you may get notified whenever I'm up with a new video. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye-bye, stay safe, and cheers to life. Thank you so very much for watching this till the very end. And before you go, enjoy the sunset time lapse which I've shot for you guys a few days back. Bye.